Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Breaking news bafethu, icala lakaVelebayi noBatman liqalile-ke namhlanje laphana lithethwa ISAFA. Liqale ngo-10 o'clock namhlanje, manje nje ekuseni bafethu liyathethwa-ke icala. Officially-ke njengoba liqalile kuthiwa-ke i-case it is expected ukuthi lizorana for 2 days kuphela, and then already-ke kuzobonakala ukuthi bayalwina icala uVelebayi noBatman against i-former team yabo i-Cape Town Spurs. Ama-player-ke njengoba bona bathi i-Cape Town Spurs ithi ama-player belonga kubo. I-PSL ikuphikisile lokho, isebenzise u-section 43.3 if angenzi iphutha lapho, ukuthi once baba kulokho kunjani kuma-amateur and then ama-player ama-free agent angajoyina nanoma yiphi ithimu afunayo ukuwajoyina. But-ke obviously ku-involve i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs inemali. Cape Town Spurs ibona Kaizer Chiefs yibo abantu abangakhokha imali o-10 million for iplayer elilodwa. Iplayer elidlala ku-third division noma elidlala ku-third division bafuna ukuligcina. Guess what? Cape Town Spurs seyigcine ama-player amaningi kakhulu bafowethu, noma ngithi seyihambise ama-player amaningi kakhulu. Manje ama-free agent abanye bajoyina i-Durban City, abanye bajoyina amanye ama-team, but laba abaku-Kaizer Chiefs bagijinyiswa ngempela bafowethu because bafuna 10 million for uVelebayi, 10 to 12 million, and then for Batman bafuna around 10 million, which is just garbage uma uyibheka into yakhona. So uVelebayi bafethu iplayer exciting kakhulu edlala laphana phambili. Siyaduza ukuthi i-Youth International even manje njengoba sikhuluma bafethu laphana ku-World Cup eChile la i-South Africa idlale khona izolo yashawa 2-1 idlala neFrance. And then-ke uVelebayi, uBatman yalo mncane oleni eChile, and then uVelebayi yena ulaphana uKaizer Chiefs yajima already-ke. I-coach eKaizer Chiefs ikhulume kahle ngaye, yathi uzobasiza laphana ku-continental level. Lama-players lawa already Kaizer Chiefs seyiwarejistile ukuthi angaqala ukudlala laphana overall. So I mean obviously Kaizer Chiefs igijimele uVelebayi after iSpurs isi-relegate-wa bakwazi ukuwasayinela ama-players. Khumbula ukuthi uVelebayi sebamgijimisa I think for 2 years or so bangakwazi ukumthola because iSpurs bebaloke basho bona bathi bafuna imali eserious. iKaizer Chiefs yathi awu ngeke imali engaka for umuntu enithi nimdevelophe ngo-10 million, but-ke makufika iKaizer Chiefs vele bafuna imali eningi. Imagine uDotty wasayinwa around boma-6 million laphana kuSpurs, koVelebayi bafuna iy'mali ey'ngaka. Yeah, I think I remember i-agent lakaVelebayi lithi imagine uVelebayi bafuna imali efana neyaka-Apolis. Phela u-Apolis Orlando Pirates imsayine nga-12 million, iSpurs besifuna 12 million kuVelebayi. Hayi bafuthu akungadlalwa ngeKaizer Chiefs. But yeah, i-PSL yiyo ekhipha isinqumo phela i-decision. Mina into engisurprise-ayo ngayo yonke le case le bafethu ukuthi ibhola South Africa usho ukuthi li-weak, alinawo umthetho strong. Ukhona umthetho abawufakile in terms of ama-section bani rama-rule, but-ke i-Cape Town Spurs bayivumela kanjani ukuthi ijumpe i-PSL, i-governing body ye-local football, iye ku-SAFA which is i-governing body yama-national teams kakhulu, because these are two different entities. But-ke it is what it is. Makuyi-Kaizer Chiefs bafuna imali ngempela. I mean isimple umthetho, waya ku-amateur football wonke ama-professional contracts ayacrasha bafowethu, awasa-apply. iSpurs-ke they are fighting back indaba yama-contract ukuthi ama-contract are-valid regardless of what division they are playing in, which is just ayayenzi i-sense overall bafowethu. I-legal battle-ke ayi-involve i-Kaizer Chiefs bafowethu. i-Kaizer Chiefs ayingeni ndawo, but i-Kaizer Chiefs izongena-ke ngoba seyi-register ama-player. But icala njengoba lithethwa, kuthethwa icala lakaVelebayi noBatman versus i-Cape Town Spurs because yiwo ama-player ahambele ngenkani laphana. Wathatha i-Spurs isaya ku-PSL, and then PSL banika abafana ama-clearance ukuthi bakwazi ukujoyina noma yimaphi ama-team abawafunayo. So obviously-ke iSpurs argument yabo ukuthi i-contract-ke bafethu i-binding obviously-ke beyond i-relegation. Asazi ukuthi bekunama-clause, but I don't think there was a clause because ngabe bakhulumile ngayo, khuluma kakhulu i-CEO ye-Cape Town Spurs. I mean baclaima ukuthi bona bakaze ba-release ama-player wabo. If kumele bahambe oVelebayi, iKaizer Chiefs kumele ibhadale imali well deserved because lama-players ama-high quality, kumele iKaizer Chiefs bakubhadale leyo mali because ukhona umthetho o-protects abantu abadevelophe ama-players ukuthi bathole bama-1.5 million per player kuphela. But-ke bona bayawu-ignore lowo because bafuna imali eserious. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi bafuna imali eserious ukuthi bathenge i-status ku-National First Division babuye ku-professional setup. But-ke at the moment ngathi icala liyabadla. I don't think bazoliwina le cala. If bangawina le cala leli kusho ukuthi kahle kahle kuliwa ne-Kaizer Chiefs ngempela phela ayikho into enje. I mean i-choice ye-PSL ne-Kaizer Chiefs laphana i-Spurs abanayo professional status overall, so ama-contracts wabo awekho ku-PSL standard overall. I-FIFA ne-SAFA ama-rules wakhona nama-principles asapota ama-players ukuthi ama-players ngeke afoswe ukuthi ahlale emathimini, i-team ingasa-operate ku-professional level. I mean i-arbitration i-process yakhona isimple bafethu, independent ipanel under laphana i-SAFA yiyo ezo-investigate, yiyo ezothetha lecala leli, and then i-evidence izopresentwa-ke laphana, iyapresentwa njengoba kuthethwa lecala leli, ama-players nama-contract ne-PSL registration nama-papers nama-legal interpretations, zonke lezo zinto lezo plus versus ama-amateur contract. And njengoba ku-expected ukuthi i-run for 2 days, thina si-expecte ukuthi i-Kaizer ilo abadlali bawine icala simply, i-Kaizer Chiefs nayo ikwazi ukuthi ukuphefumula kangcono ukuthi bangakwazi ukudlalisa lama-player lawo. Well, i-case inkulu because involve the biggest team in South Africa, which is i-Kaizer Chiefs. That is why ithola i-media buzz kangaka, sikhuluma ngayo kangaka. But-ke automatically bafowethu ama-players abama-free agent or kumele baye beku-club boholo 800 ku-third division akuholwa bafowethu. Bakhona abazamayo but baya-collapse laba bathatha ama-millions wabo bathola ukuthi babhadala ama-player 8,000, baya-collapse because ayikho imali ku-third division bafowethu. I-SAFA iyazama ukubanika lawo ma-grant wabo ma-30,000 but still kwamanye ama-team lawo ma-grant we-30,000 ne-season awafiki. So imagine uzonikwa u-30,000 ngonyaka, uzorun i-team ngo-30,000 ngonyaka, ayikho into ekanjalo. So it's not just obvious about uVelebayi noBatman but kuphela bafowethu. So lecala leli I think lizokwazi ukuvusa nabanye abantu ukuthi maybe if i-Spurs if siyawina, which is unlikely, ngeke siwine i-Spurs, but if siyawina kuyovuka amacala amaningi kakhulu, nabanye sebalanda i-SAFA ukuthi oVelebayi bakwazi ukuwina icala elikanje nakanje, nathi-ke sesideserva whatever, bovusa nezinto zakudala. And i-SAFA siyazi kahle ukuthi they are not well equipped ukuthi bakwazi ukusolva amacala. Manje babathatha babayise court i-Players Union because they could not solve amacala wango-2019 overall, so bayahluleka ukusolva amacala ku-SAFA. Kaizer Chiefs-ke ngoba ku-involved i-Kaizer Chiefs kunebhazi, kunomsindo, bayazama ukulithetha lecala leli but at what cost? Because manje khona amacala amaningi bafowethu abangawathethanga laphana abavele bawa-ignore. So i-SAFA into abantu abangayithemba na, even nalapha kuBafana Bafana they could not check izinto zakaTebogo Mokoena. Cabanga, I mean this is just sad. Obviously-ke bafowethu i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke mabikwazi this week imele ba-declare ama-player ukuthi ama-free agent possibly in the next 2 days, njengoba bathi in the next 2 days bazobe liphelile icala, si-expecte ukuthi in 2 days time or 3 days time bakwazi ukusikhiphela i-verdict. But siyayazi-ke i-SAFA bafethu ngoku-drag i-case badile into engekho, namanje bebangalithethi ngani lecala leli, season kudala iqalile, kuna-2 months ama-player asayine ne-Kaizer Chiefs but awakadlali nokudlala, asalindile. I mean lama youngsters lawa i-Kaizer Chiefs basayinile vele babawu-2 but kuyabonakala ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs i-builder for long term kulabadlali laba, bayabadinga ngempela long term ukuthi hhayi kusiyabadlali nje besikhashana because iminyaka isasekhona esayidini labo, so kuzoya nge-SAFA-ke bafowethu ukuthi ithini overall. But yeah, this is sad. Njengoba bengishilo ukuthi uVelebayi babarejiste bobayi-2 kuma-CAF competitions, kuyasho ukuthi bayabadinga ngempela ukuthi bangakwazi ukudlala iphathi enkulu laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs, bayakwazi ukumisela ejimini, bayakwazi ukubonakalisa ngempela ejimini ukuthi bayafuna ukurepresenta i-Kaizer Chiefs ku-continental level and locally, so they cannot just risk them ukuthi bavele badlale immediately because immediately i-PSL nayo ithe mayikhipha le verdict le ukuthi ama-player ama-free agent yathi Cape Town Spurs nga-appeal, yiyo-ke i-appeal-ke yabo le ukuthi bathathe. So i-Spurs sesilwa ne-PSL nomthetho ku-PSL ukuthi sokumele kushintshe umthetho ngendaba yabo and then thatha i-PSL bayisa ku-SAFA. So ubona ukuthi i-SAFA-ke izo-react-a kanjani. Ayi kodwa ne-SAFA ngisasho bafethu ayikho indaba ye-SAFA. Amacala angaka angasolva, kusolva icala manje ngoba kune-pressure from i-Kaizer Chiefs and then ne-fan base ukuthi bafuna ukwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani, because if they can solve icala lakaVelebayi noBatman involve i-Kaizer Chiefs, kuzobonakala ngathi abantu be-SAFA bayawenza umsebenzi wabo but abawenzi umsebenzi wabo, abawenzi. I-Players Union isipruvele lokho. So i-heartbreak, i-Spurs sa-relegatwa from ku-Betway Premiership, sase-DStv Premiership, basi-relegate saya ku-National First Division uChizi Mtsipe Championship basi-relegate nakhona. So ama-relegation awu-2 alandelanayo kuchaza ukuthi kunzima kakhulu laphana ku-National First Division, so akukho lula. The only way futhi-ke ku-worse-ke ku-third division bafowethu, because noma bangayiwini i-ABC leya se-Western Cape, they still need to ukuya kuma-national playoffs. So ukubuya ku-professional setup akukho lula ngempela, kunzima. But yeah, they've run ibhizinisi lokuba ukurun i-team laphana ku-Cape Town Spurs for so long, but-ke manje i-collapsile i-team yabo ngoba ngeke iphinde ibuye. There's no way iphinde ibuye, kunzima kakhulu laphana ku-national. Ku-third division ama-match abantu ba-hungry ngempela ukuthi bangene at least ku-professional setup. So but-ke sobona i-case njengoba liloku liqhubeka, sibona ukuthi ama-implications obviously for i-South African football overall kwenzakalani ngempela if ama-professional clubs aba-relegated to amateur football. Kusimple bafowethu, le straightforward. Once you are relegated to amateur football, awusekho professional, so you cannot treat ama-players or i-setup yakho professional. Awusanakwa i-PSL because ku-PSL khona ama-teams awu-32 kuphela, awu-16 waku-Betway Premiership, awu-16 waku-National First Division. Yiwo-ke ama-team akhona nje kuphela awu-32. Outside loko awekho professional lawo ma-team lawo. So it's very important uku-understand-a imithetho and then uyisho without liking or loving somebody else ukuthi uzoba affected. Imithetho yasebholeni bafethu, imithetho yasebholeni kumele ilandelwe. Imithetho yasebholeni lase-South Africa kumele ilandelwe, hhayi ukuthi manje ngoba izinto zibahambelanga kahle overall kumele bona benze lento le abayenzayo. Bahlulekile ukuwina egrawundini ukuthi ba-remain i-status sabo, ba-retain i-status sabo laphana. But yeah man, yeah, I think we just have to wait and see. Ama-fans online reacta ngalento lena. I think i-reaction yabo ukuthi siyenzani ngempela i-Spurs, sifuna ukuphelela ngalento le because indaba yakhona i-straight, iqondile ukuthi imithetho yaku-PSL ithini. So wena ufuna ukuba bafuna bakhelwe imithetho especially ngoba bayi-Cape Town Spurs and seba-relegate-iwe. Bahlule ukuthengisa umfana bomba 5 million Kaizer Chiefs imfuna 2 years back. Kaizer Chiefs azange stophe ukumfuna, beyiloke nje imfuna noma kuthiwa i-team ayenzi kahle, but-ke i-fee le bebayidinga manje hayi ngeke basayithola leyo fee leyo. We can't wait ukubona ovele bedlala bafethu. I mean ukuhlala ngaphandle isikhathi esingaka akukho lula. The boys have to just push and bajime ngempela ngokuzikhandla laphana. Uvele njengoba bengishilo ngizoyi-highlight indaba kaVelele ukuthi ujima kahle kakhulu nama-coach amkhuluma kahle kakhulu, bayasho ukuthi uzobasiza. Imagine i-depth engaka kaVelele nabanye abadlali laphana kuma-wings ukuthi kuzoba i-serious competition ngempela. So I mean all in all sobona ukuthi icala i-outcome ukuthi izothini, izothi kuwine ama-player uVelele noBatman and then bazoba confirm immediately ukuthi ama-free agent and they're available to play for i-Kaizer Chiefs anytime. But-ke i-Spurs kuthiwa siyawina, i-Kaizer Chiefs-ke kumele ikhiphe le 20 million yalama-player wo-2 or ama-player abuyele, a-forced ukuthi abuyele ku-third division. But-ke that will never happen bafowethu. Ngeke u-force i-player edlala professional ukuthi liye ku-third division after i-team seyi-relegate-iwe. I mean it's over, njengoba bengishilo, it's over nge-Cape Town Spurs in terms of like a-professional setup. Why would the players be forced ukuthi bayodlala le ku-third division? That would be just nje bizarre for i-SAFA ukuthi ithi ama-player ama-free agent. Ngeke ukuthi udlala professional and then uphinde utshele ukuthi ubuyela ku-third division nge-contract enjani. Okokuqala abakhokhelanga ne-sign, abamnikanga uVelele i-signing on fee yakhe yonke. And one of the saddest thing ukuthi i-Spurs sifuna ukuholda ama-players back. And the another sad thing would be abazali bakaVelele, I remember i-Chiefs imfuna kakhulu, abazali bakhe baze basuka baya straight ku-Cape Town Spurs beyocela ukuthi hayibo release-ani umfana, i-Kaizer Chiefs imfuna nga-5 million last season, that time imfuna, release-ani umfana khona impilo izokwazi ukushintsha nomfana akwazi ukuphila impilo engcono. Baphika bona mabakhuluma ney'ndaba banqaba, mabakhuluma nabo ey'ndaba bathi bona i-Kaizer Chiefs isile seyokhuluma nabazali manje ukuthi izame ukuthola lama-player lawa. Ama-players angayindawo. Imagine uVelele noBatman last season bebedlala ku-second division, bebadlala ku-second division imali ayikho that much ku-second division, so bokunzima nje kubafana laphana, but bablokhela ku-chance or ku-opportunity yokuthi bodlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean that's sad, that is very very sad for bona, but ngibafisela inhlanhla nje ukuthi izinto zibahambele kahle, sikwazi ukubabona soon. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, simaking sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers.